Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. Today I come to you with my Tonic craft kit number 59. I'm so excited about this one. This one is called Clocks and Cogs. I am so excited. So let's get it in right on into it. Let's take these things out. We got 2 of those today. Awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna put the box to the side. I got boxes piled up everywhere, guys. Alright, so first thing I like to do is look at their paper, because sometimes there are always papers in here that you don't have yet that they're going to come out with for sale individually. So I got my little kit out, my little page out. They made it into a little folder this time that says everything that's in it. Alright, so the papers. Let's get to the regular ones first, because we know what those are. It's hard to see what these things are. Alright, I think this one is called Apricot Orange. Oh, there we go. Y'all can see that texture on this side. Apricot Orange. Beautiful for fall. And then we have, I think this one is, might get them mixed up, but this one may be teal blue. Teal blue. And then we have ocean blue. Oh, it might be vice versa. That might be ocean blue. This is teal blue. Then we have, let me make sure. I think this one is called Ginger Pie. Ginger Pie. I love that color. And then we have Brick Red. Brick Red. That is classic card. Those are classic card. Now let's get into some of the others. This one is the foiled craft card, and it is Rose Gold Blossom. I've used this before. I love that. The beautiful pattern with that craft in the back. So pretty. Specialty card. Let's see. I think it's this one. Sienna Treasure. Look at that linen texture on there. So pretty. Then we have mirror cards. This one is Opera Red. Mirror card Opera Red. And mirror card Rose Platinum. Yes, love both of those. And then we have, what is these? I don't even see the names for these. Oh, yes I do. Because we both turned the opposite way. So now we have some regular paper, cardstock, and this one is called Clocks and Cogs pattern paper. Y'all may not be able to see it, but it looks like distressed around the edges. And of course it is double-sided. So look at the ombre. Oh my gosh. This is probably the side I'll use. That is so pretty. The ombre effect. Remember, they are both double-sided. Alright, so that is the paper. Beautiful for fall. Keep them in this little pouch. Alright, so the next thing I see out is these sponges. Y'all have seen me use these sponges before on a project, but they come in, I think, a 4-pack. But these are blending sponges. So we got 2. That is awesome. I also see a stencil. Ooh. So clogs here. And then some kind of pattern right here. This is so cute. I love when you get a stencil now. You can use that on anything. So let's go through the Nuvo bag and see what we got this month. Alright. Wow. Got a whole pot of Crackle Mousse. And this one is Winter Nymph. And I think I have this one already, so that is awesome. Then we have Vintage Draw. Ooh. Do I have this one? This one is called Bohemian Teal. Have to look and see if I have this one yet. If I do, I just throw it in my giveaway, you know, when I'm sending gifts. If I don't have it, then of course I'll open it and put a dot on the top so I can see it. That's a beautiful teal. And then we have shimmer powder, and this one is called Maroon Spark. And I think I have this one. These things go a long way because you just barely tap them and then put water on them to activate them. So I know that's going in my giveaway pile. And then you got a whole pot of glacier paste. And this one is bronze metal. I don't know if I have this one yet. I have to look and see. But glacier paste, bronze metal. That is so pretty. These are perfect for the fall, guys. So that's what we got in our Nouveau bag this month. Put all of this in there. All right. And then let's get to the dies. OMG. So we got the little sleeve. Take these out. Here is my sticker. I put the sticker right on the front of the folder. So when I open up my box, the book binder that I put it in, I know what it is. I might still have to glance to see, but it kind of gives you an idea. Alright, so you know we got the, what is this? Y'all know what this is. I already said it. Y'all know how your mind gets sometimes. Alright, so first, look at this beautiful stamp set. Sorry it's late. I need to use that a lot. To celebrate time with you is time well spent, one day at a time. Oh, I love the hourglass. As soon as I saw it, I'm thinking of Days of Our Lives. Boop, boop. Anyway, a key, a cute alarm clock, flies when you're having fun. So I like that. Time flies when you're having. I love how it's separated. To relax, happy retirement. I have been needing a happy retirement stamp. This is right on time. Where has the time gone? Oh, I like this one. So cute. All right, so here are the dies. Look at the cogs, guys. We'll look at this one first. To make a clock and a watch. I've been seeing all the great examples people have been doing. Look how big this die right here is. The cogs, this is the clock. These are the arms for the clock. This is for the watch that you can create. Different buckles. And then with this one, has a chain so you can make like a pocket watch. Isn't that cute? Some more circles for the face. This is a clock base. There's the other half for a watch. That is like the top of your your pocket watch. You know, it has that little twist. And another hand here. This is so cute. Absolutely love this die set for this month. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Have y'all started getting any of the kits? I know somebody had commented before. I think it was Arva. I can't remember. That said that she has gotten the subscription. I love it. I mean, you can skip as well, guys, if you see it before, because they always do it a month ahead. So you'll see what the next one is that's coming out, and then a month later you'll get it. But you can skip if you don't think you'll like that one. Just skip it, right? So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I absolutely love this and the colors and everything you're getting. And let me show you some examples on here. There it is. Somebody had made the clock. But also, you can make a 3D clock, guys. Y'all know how to create boxes. Alright, I hate when my camera does that. But here's some examples, guys. Here and here. Somebody made it with the... Oh, it says good times. I didn't even see that. Let me see. Here. Oh, it does say good times in there. See, you couldn't even see that. Awesome. This is so nice, guys. Love, love, love. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.